Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a new feature that we just released that is called the grouping. It's going to help you create groups and group your students. So here it is. In my Wavio Pulse, I'm going to go to class 1, which is my um, class where my class trackers sit. And one of the tabs here is called groups. So I'm going to go to groups, click on that. And now I see all my students and how they're ordered, where they are at. I'm going to click on this icon, which shows like two little people and a plus sign to add groups. So I have 22 kids in my class. I'm going to create 6 groups. Okay, so 6 groups. And then I'm going to group the students. So I can group randomly or I can group by closest progress. So I'm going to group by closest progress. Here it is. And now I have my groups. And my groups are going to show up on my class tracker. Let me show you. So here are the groups names here. So every student by their group. And my groups are also going to show up in every student's private tracker. So if I go to my student list and I view the class as that student, one sec. Now I can see that here at the top it says group 3. So that student knows that they are supposed to be part of group 3. If I'm done with the group activity and I want to delete it or I want to change it, let me show you. I can go here and delete the groups. If I want to change the way the grouping has been set up, for example, I want to move Winston to a different group, I can just click on this 6 dots waffle kind of icon and just move Winston to the next group. I can delete a specific group if I wanted to by just clicking here, delete group, or I can delete all my groups at once by clicking on the trash can here. And now all the groups are deleted and I can recreate new groups and group randomly or by closest progress. And of course, once I delete the groups, I no longer see them on my class tracker. So here they it's clean now. So this is all for the grouping. I'd love for you to try it out and let me know if you have any feedback. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.